Everything starts with a raw sheet of metal. It is strong, solid, and untreated. At Mirsan, this material is transformed through precise manufacturing processes. The metal is cut, shaped, and formed with engineering accuracy. Every component is designed with a clear purpose. Each detail supports durability, stability, and long-term performance. This is not only production, it is a controlled engineering process. As parts come together, a cabinet is assembled, built to support complex systems and critical operations. In daily life, technology works seamlessly. A screen turns on. A connection is established. Behind this smooth experience, a reliable infrastructure operates continuously. Mirsan cabinets are used in data centers to organize systems, manage heat, and protect critical equipment. The result is consistent performance, reliability, and control. Fill in the racks.